Hi guys, so in this video I am going to show you how to properly change a diaper. It's important to make sure you have everything you need with you before you get started. So I have diaper rash cream, wipes, and a diaper. Next thing you do is, when taking off the clothes, make sure that you scoop the material as far away from the diaper as possible. And this is to prevent anything getting soiled. Now I suggest that you only do this type of diaper changing with the other diaper underneath, only if the baby is just soiled from urine. So with the diapers, you're going to have the folds that are resealable on both sides. So if you don't get it right the first time, that's okay. It just seals right back up. And if you're confused about the front from the back, most new diapers will have back, so you know it goes in the back. You grab both legs, lift them up, place the diaper underneath, and you grab a wipe. Now, while holding this wipe, open your flaps and begin to wipe. Close your diaper and hold it with your left hand. Open the flap with your right and close the other side. So just make sure that their penis is pointed downward. And this is good to help to make sure that they don't pee while you're changing their diaper, and to also make sure that they don't pee on the outside of their diaper. And that, my friends, is how you change a diaper. Thanks for watching.